have my hook and my camera in here, but it's all insulated and it is not getting wet anytime soon. Awesome. Okay, we're going out and it started raining, so woohoo! The Sunshine State. Okay, here's the true test, guys, with this wet bag, dry bag, ocean pack, so you can see. We got rained in outside at the beach. Are my books and my camera dry.
Dry bag, waterproof camera backpack, waterproof dry bag, whatever you call it, these waterproof backpacks are perfect for keeping your camera gear, mobile phone, laptop, and electronics dry, whether you're at the beach, on a boat or a kayak, or just in a casual, severe thunderstorm like you just saw. This particular size is a 15-liter dry bag I bought in the Philippines for around $6 to $8 when I was island hopping in El Nido. It's made of durable material that you can easily wipe clean. If it's a couple of bucks, a camera, a phone, a few lenses, and such. These bags come in different sizes, and I've attached some links down below from 10 liters to 40 liters just for you. Let me know down below, guys, what you're most likely going to put in your dry bag. To use a dry bag, first off, make sure that there are no holes. I showed this dry bag in my Pack With Me for Beach Vacation video and also showed how I packed it for my camera, but to use it, simply place your items inside and fluff it up and roll it closed to seal it with air. Rolling the dry bag closed immediately fills it with air and actually keeps the bag afloat on water if you ever want to swim with it, which I do not recommend. Okay, so you found the dry bag for your camera and now you can go kayaking without worrying, but do you guys have the right SD cards, the right tripod, or the right reflector, and all the other camera basics you need for content creation for Instagram or YouTube? If you're worried that you don't have it, make sure you go ahead and watch these other videos I have to learn what other camera finds you need in your life to make everything just a little bit easier.
Hey, it's dry. Hallelujah.